Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2027 Mercedes-Benz Mega Armadillo Motorhome, which is estimated to be worth an incredible $1 million, is the pinnacle of luxury, safety, and technical advancement in the market for recreational vehicles. A tribute to Mercedes-Benz engineering expertise and their vision for the future of ultra-luxury travel, this is more than just a motorhome. It's a mobile fortress. While the Armadillo theme alludes to unmatched robustness and cutting-edge protection, the Mega appellation implies a significant increase in size and capabilities over any prior idea. The 2027 Mega Armadillo would have an even more durable and advanced exterior, building on the ideas of its conceptual predecessor. With a smoothly integrated, multi-layered composite shell that can withstand harsh environmental conditions and offer outstanding protection, the design would continue to be based on the sci-fi, armored sanctuary idea. A far larger integrated solar array for unmatched energy independence, flush-mounted, dynamic smart glass windows that may change from transparent to opaque at any time, and sophisticated aerodynamic shaping are all to be expected. The car's elegant finishes, including high-end paint choices and understated yet recognizable Mercedes-Benz design cues, would complement its commanding presence. Larger slide-out parts would be possible due to the sheer size, significantly expanding living space when stationary. The Mega Armadillo's interior would be an ultra-luxurious, completely self-sufficient environment. The term Mega suggests an even larger and more adaptable living area. With a focus on sustainable luxury materials, such as sophisticated composites, exotic woods sourced ethically, and possibly even recycled precious metals, the high-tech, minimalist look would be enhanced. More user-friendly and ubiquitous than ever would be the central AI system, which would be an advancement of Prevost, or a comparable cutting-edge Mercedes-Benz interface. In addition to controlling the climate and entertainment, it would also control the vehicle's overall operational condition, security procedures, and predictive energy management. With modular furniture that can change regions for eating, relaxing, working, or sleeping, the living areas would be large. The kitchen, which would have sophisticated induction cooktops, built-in refrigeration, and robotic help for meal preparation, would be a highly efficient culinary center. Offering a tranquil resting space, an extensive wardrobe, and a spa-like bathroom with high-end fixtures and cutting-edge wellness technologies, the Master Suite would be a private haven. Passengers' demands would be met by several restrooms and possibly distinct living areas, guaranteeing everyone's comfort and privacy. Beyond the usual luxury facilities, the $1 million price tag suggests features we can anticipate. Improved autonomous capabilities. The Mega Armadillo is probably going to have a very sophisticated autonomous driving system that can navigate challenging terrain and long distances with little to no driver assistance. For navigating difficult terrain, this could involve advanced sensor suites and artificial intelligence. Unmatched security. As befits a vehicle of this caliber and intent, expect sophisticated biometric security systems, perimeter monitoring, and possibly even integrated defense capabilities in addition to the armored exterior. Extreme self-sufficiency. Long-term off-grid living in distant areas would be possible because to the massively expanded power generating and storage systems, which might include next-generation battery technology and more efficient solar capture. This independence would be further enhanced by sophisticated water recycling and purification technologies. A modest, integrated medical bay with cutting-edge diagnostic equipment and emergency communication capabilities can be an unexpected but sensible addition for the utmost peace of mind, especially considering the emphasis on security and self-sufficiency. Increased utility and cargo. The Mega feature would also enable a great deal more storage for specialized vehicles, such as a smaller electric ATV, recreational gear, or necessary supplies for longer trips. With its combination of unmatched luxury, cutting-edge technology, and unbreakable security, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Mega Armadillo Motorhome is expected to be the pinnacle of mobile living. For people who expect nothing less than the best, it is more than simply a car. It is a self-contained, sophisticated, and highly secured environment.